Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to embed Facebook video in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, I'm in my WordPress admin area, and as you can see on the left side we have pages. I'm going to create a new page. Once you end up over here, click at the top right corner here, add block, and here we are going to search for HTML code, and once you enter that, here we are going to enter the HTML code of specific Facebook link. But how you can do that, go and search for developers.facebook.com and you will end up over here. Click on docs, and here we have an option for social plugins. Click on this option. After that you will end up over here. Scroll down until you see embedded video and live video player. Click on this and you will end up over here. Here you just need to enter the URL of your Facebook video. So I have already copied that, so I'm going to paste that over here. Once you paste that, you can see that we have the pixel width also over here, and we can also include the full post also. So if you click on this option, you will see that we have the whole post over here, and if I click on this, you will see the only video over here. So I'm going with this one, and once you are happy the pixel and every single thing, click on get code and you got the code over here. After that, copy this one first of all and go back to that page and paste that over here. Make sure to click on update. Once you update your page, go to plugins and install this plugin WP code, insert headers and footers, and make sure to activate it. Once you do that, on the left side of the menu you will find code snippets, and under that you will have header and footer. Click on this option, and here we are going to add the code. Go to your embedded videos page again, copy this and go back to that page and paste that over here. Once you do that, click on save changes. After that, go to your page, and as you can see, this is the page which I have recently created, and this is the code. You can update it again. Once you update, click on preview page or view page and you will see your video over here. This is how you can add and embed Facebook video in WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.